If you write a Java code and a different person have to read your code, then the different person may find the difficulties in understanding the logic behind your code. Let us not talk about the another person. If you read your code after some time, then you may find difficulties in understanding the logic. So why not write the logic there in the code in human understandable language so that later it can be used by the another person or by yourself. Hello everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the second session of Java and Wave, variables, data types and operators. In this video we will learn about the comments in Java. Comments are the part of the Java code which used to ignore by the compiler. So comments are not the part of bytecode. There are two types of comments in Java. First one is single line comments and other one is multi-line comments. In a Java program, a line starting with 2 forward slashes is called a single line comment. From the double forward slash to the end of line will be ignored by the compiler. So this one is comment, this one is comment, this blue color line is also comment, this one is also a comment, this one and this one is also a comment. So all these blue colored lines will be ignored by the compiler. Let's apply these comments in a Java program practically. Open comments1.java, vi comments1.java, and this is the program. We are using various comments here and all these blue colored comments will be ignored by the Java compiler. Save and execute this program. Java C comments1.java, compiles fine and then write Java comments. Since class name is the comments, it runs fine in printing single quote. Since we are trying to print single quote here. Then we have multi-line comments. Whatever is written in between the forward slash star and star forward slash is called a comment. This is the multi-line comment. So whatever is written between the forward slash star and star forward slash will be ignored by the Java compiler. We can write the multi-line comment like this before the class, and we can write the multi-line comment like this, we can write it like this, we can write here like this. The comment line starts after the println statement and continue after the println statement. Here is another multi-line comment and this one is the last multi-line comment we have. Let's apply this multi-line comment in a Java program. Open comments2.java. This is the program. We have used various multi-line comments here. If you try to execute it, compiler will ignore all these blue colored comments and will print the single quote since we are printing the single quote. Let's save and execute this code. Java C comments2.java. Right here too. Compiles fine, then run it Java comments. It runs fine in printing single quote. This one is a different type of multi-line comment. Whatever is written between the forward slash double star and star forward slash gets ignored by the compiler. But difference between the previous multi-line comment, which was something written in between the forward slash star and star forward slash, is that this multi-line comment will be ignored by the compiler but used by the Javadoc tools. We will use these tools later. So this one is the difference between the two multi-line comments. The previous one between the forward slash star and star forward slash cannot be used by the Javadoc. But this multi-line comment between the forward slash double star and star forward slash will be used by the Javadoc tools. Let's update the comment2.java and see what's happening. Open comment2.java and instead of writing forward slash star, write here forward slash double star. This one is a special comment. Write here again forward slash double star. Here you can write here forward slash double star. And then write here forward slash double star. So we made all the comments as forward slash double star. Let's save and execute this code. Java C comments2.java. Compiles fine and then run it Java comments. It runs fine in printing single quote. In short, we have few points about the comments in Java. Comments are the kind of documentation in the code. After writing a big program, you may forget about variables, logic of a code snippet. If you have a comment written at the same place, you can easily recall it. Comments are also helpful for the another person trying to understand your code. So this is a good habit to write comments in the Java code. Using comments in the code make compulsory if you are seriously developing a project. If you are working in a team, then the comments in the code are compulsory so that various team members can work together efficiently. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe this channel if you are new and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.